Hi there, this is from the Educational Engineering team. Today, we will be discussing on the 358 more updates to Intellifluence. Now, what is an Intellifluence? This is an influencer marketing platform that helps brands and influencers collaborate with ease. So meaning, brands and influencers can easily work together on this marketing platform. Now, Intellifluence is the simplest way to get products reviewed, build awareness, and increase sales. Tens of thousands of trusted peer-level influencers are waiting to help you promote your brand. At the start of each campaign, you'll specify your overall goal. We are also home of the largest warm influencer network in the world, meaning each one of our influencers has joined on their own and is ready to partner with brands. Now, what is an influencer marketing? Influencer marketing is simply having somebody tell your story for you. When you utilize influencer marketing, you are relying on reputable influencers to share their thoughts about your products and services with their audience to gain exposure and grow your sales. Also, influencer marketing is actually a great strategy for any business, whether it may be large or small. It is also more affordable for brands than print marketing, as print marketing costs can skyrocket quickly. Brands that utilize influencer marketing are actually paying a smaller fee for peer-level influencers and seeing better results in sales of their products and services. So to summarize, influencer marketing is all about partnering with trusted influencers to build awareness. And Intellifluence makes it easy to find trusted influencers and collaborate with them across a wide variety of campaigns. It's an influencer marketing service that brands can actually afford. So, in the simplest terms, Intellifluence for influencers works like this. Create a profile, wherein you'll join and create your profile. Now think of it as a mashup of your resume and a dating profile. So brands can find you based on your experience and interest. Second, accept pitches. At this point, brands can find you and send offers such as pitches that may include free products, services, or cash in exchange for your review or promotion on your social media accounts. If you like the pitch, accept it to begin a transaction. While you're waiting for pitches from brands, you are able to browse the marketplace to see if there are any offers from brands that appeal to you. These opportunities are available to the entire Intellifluence influencer community. You can apply for opportunities directly, or you can request more information from brands. Once approved, you will be involved in a transaction. Lastly, get compensated. Once you have fulfilled the terms detailed within transaction, you're done. Enjoy the free product or service or cash, and look out for more pitches. Now, going to our main topic for today, there have been a bunch of small updates on Intellifluence lately. Here's just a quick list of some changes you may or may not have noticed. First, brands dealing with numerous campaigns with a large number of transactions can now sort messages by any of the attributes: influencer's name, campaign name, status, or last contact. Get to the messages you want to see however you want to see them. Second, influencers that join the network and can find immediate opportunities are presented with an explanation in the marketplace on how to improve their overall reach within the system, and can toggle to see opportunities they aren't qualified for. Now that's very useful. Third, lots of components upgrades like jQuery, Axios, purifying URLs, prevent XSS possibilities in new window types. So many updates like this. Always need to stay on top of the security game, everyone. Fourth, significantly sped up the Discover Influencers function. Now that's also useful. Fifth, brands want to find someone based on their influencer name? Now you can! Sixth, brands want to only see people in work history, filtering that you've worked with in the past, Never want to see people you work with? Now you can do that both. 7. Want to pitch influencers directly from Discover? You can now do it. 8. Advanced plan brands need to flag a lot more than one transaction at one time. That actually works now. So, that ends our presentation for today. If you have any more questions, feel free to message me on Skype, on my phone number, or at my email. Once again, thank you for listening.